So, pleasure, Kevin and G. Thanks again. I am Ashutosh Singh, CEO at B Energy, and we are actually working on a technology to manufacture graphene at large scale in a very cost-effective manner. Before I jump on to the technology, I would like to emphasize on the exciting property that graphene has to offer. There are quite a bit of it. There are lots actually that could actually revolutionize the way industrial products could be manufactured, but the most important ones are the high surface area, high electrical conductivity, and high transparency. A unique combination of this property actually makes graphene extremely kind of a critical material in industry. And this property is actually given by the unique hexagonal carbon structure that you see in this diagram of the graphene. Uh, the major problem with the graphene production right now is that most of the graphene producers, well, graphene can be produced in several ways, but the most of the graphene producers actually use chemical approach for graphene production. And this has a lot of challenges associated with it. For example, you get a poor quality of graphene. So by quality, I mean the structure, the hexagonal lattice structure, you really don't get that completely. And that lead to our that doesn't actually gives you the full potential property of the graphene which we were talking about. The next thing is that the toxic and corrosive chemicals that you use for graphene production, for example, sulfuric acid and hydrazine, that brings in a lot of regulatory barriers and scale up challenges. Also, on an average, this process takes a week, so it has a time component associated with it, and all these challenges actually leads to a very high manufacturing cost. And you can see that our competitors are actually selling this graphene at around US dollar 6,000 to 9,000 based on the quality of graphene per kilogram of graphene. So our solution was to actually use electricity to produce graphene and use electrochemical approach. And boom, we were actually able to solve most of the challenges being faced by the graphene producer using chemical approach. But the unique thing about our technology is that we can actually make graphene tunable, specific to a customer need. For instance, if a graphene need to be stable at a high temperature, and if a customer needs that, we can actually do that for our customer. Another thing is that we have 2 US patent filed for different chemistries to tune graphene for specific application, and we are currently doing more studies and research on that, so we can expect more IPs coming out of our startup. Now we are into this field because this is a huge market for us. Graphene-based device market is around US dollar 25 billion. But I should emphasize here that graphene application in different sectors still being evaluated and TRL level has not been established. So we are looking forward to a much bigger market than we can actually quantify in here. So, but the most of the demand right now is coming from composite and battery materials, and that's where we are actually focusing at. So we are actually trying to reach out to people who are looking forward to make a composite with graphene material or use it as electrode in batteries for high performance in different application. Our team consists of me and Dr. Robert. That brings in a combination of electrochemistry, material science expertise, and Dr. Robert has an expertise in building scalable system. He had a startup back in the UK where he was actually trying to build up a electrochemical system for wastewater treatment. At the top of that, since we are at early stages, we are also taking help from Innovate Calgary, which is an incubator at a university of Calgary, and Foresight for getting technical and business inputs on our startup. Uh, so the major thing, what we will be needing right now moving forward would be a concrete business strategy and a commercialization expert. So we can actually work on getting forging that strategic alliance and a very valuable industrial connection to targeted markets, especially composite and batteries, because those are the places where you have major demands. Uh, we are working on getting those connections, but the more, the
10 more
better, so that
seconds, Ashu.
sure. Thank you, Gigi. So the more and the better, so that we can actually have more addressable market. Just to leave a few key points, we are far more competitive to conventional chemical approach right now. So we have significant time and quality in terms of chemical approach, huge market potential, electrochemical and material science expertise with startup experience, so a team with past industrial experience. With that, thank you so much for this. It's definitely a very great event, and any valuable feedback would definitely be helpful for me. Thank you so much.